The extended COVID-19 lockdown announced by Centre comes into force today. The 40-day nationwide lockdown has been extended by 2 weeks until May 17, but some relaxations are allowed. These relaxations will come into force from today. In Manipur, all markets including Pana Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar have been reopened to the public from today. However, 3 Ima markets, temporary market and Nagampal Ngari Gali at Khwairambam Bazaar are not allowed to open. India's tally of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 stood at 42,553 this morning as 2,553 new infections and 72 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours according to the Union Health Ministry. There are 29,453 active cases, 11,706 people who have been cured and 1,373 patients died so far, the Union Health Ministry's COVID-19 dashboard showed at 8 a.m., said a media report. After detecting 12 more new coronavirus positive cases last night, a total of 14 coronavirus positive patients are under treatment in Tripura as of today. All the 14 patients are from BSF 138 Battalion. On Sunday, 12 more persons from 138 BSF unit deployed at Ambassa were found COVID-19 positive. On Saturday, last 2 BSF personnel were tested positive in the same BSF unit deployed at Ambassa of Dalai district. Meanwhile, the BSF camps at Durgapur and Korena at Gandachara has been declared as epicenter for COVID-19 from today, a report said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in the virtual summit of the Non-Aligned Movement (NAM) today for the first time since taking the helm of affairs in India to discuss ways to fight the coronavirus pandemic together. Reports said the meeting will take place at around 4:30 p.m. India time and will also be attended by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. In pursuance of its effort to provide moral and emotional support to the frontline COVID-19 workers, International Society for Krishna Consciousness (ISKCON) Infal distributed 100 food packages to the police personnel stationed at Khongjom, Kakching, Wabagay, Mayay Lambi, Wangoy, Samurao, Hiangthang, Koirangay, Langmaidong, Wanggu, Pumbi, Bishnupur and Moirang today. Face masks and food packages were also provided to villagers in Taubul and Mayang Infal. Northern Disability Institute LOITANG LEIKINTHABI today distributed relief materials to physically and mentally challenged persons of the institute. In the light of the increasing cases of COVID-19 spread in the country's overcrowded prisons, the Ministry of Home Affairs issued fresh guidelines for detained, convicted and under trials. According to media report, the government has ordered that all the meeting between the prisoners and their family members be stopped till the pandemic is controlled and instead video calls and phone calls will be allowed. The MIC decided to issue detailed guidelines for the prisons after close to 24 cases of infections were reported at Indore jail in Madhya Pradesh, the media report said. COVID-19 Relief Committee Bishnupur AC, led by Manipur Pollution Control Board Chairman and Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore, today met Lairanjam Tombi Devi of Bishnupur, Ward number 11, following a TOMTV exclusive report on her life facing extreme hardship during the lockdown. The team provided relief materials to the helpless woman during the visit. The team also handed out relief materials to Karam Open, an ailing man from Bishnupur, Ward number 1. During the visit, Radhakishore also assured of giving assistance to 70-year-old Taurem Jaram Singh.